Hello dear friends, hello our client. Today 14 September 2022. My name is Sergey Khodachenko. Now I show you how assembly Typhoon. This is Typhoon Pro Max, Pro Ultra assembly same. This electrical box take off. Look, we have number must be 5 5. This look how I send you photo. This is more size. This left, red, yellow, and this. This and this. Not strong. Centering after inside. Put inside this and screw. This. This. And this. This 5 millimeters, not like this, 5 millimeters, 7 millimeters, but not like this, because vibration. And when you first start, look, this must be direct turn like this. This is very important. But this is not problem because we have this mini computer. Look, no possible change. But please check. And this here screw, here and here. If you don't have sugar inside, we listen very big noise, but don't afraid. With sugar, this noise, no noise, metal noise. This is like alarm. Little vibration. This normal because need sugar. Without vibration, sugar no supply. When you first start, when Typhoon cold,
Please start. This is 90%. This is heat 90%, and speed 50%. When you look cotton candy start manufacturing, this is 90, speed 90%. When Typhoon working 20-30 minutes, when hot, heat little less. If cotton candy like not soft, temperature little more. If very soft stick, temperature less. This is very important. See you again. Bye bye.